Wazobia FM. Now still there and similar this for this evening. Now be small thing. Welcome to Evening Oyoyo. My name still remain my name. E to the X to the P. Expensive himself. Any other one to say? Can't fit. And not be only me day here. Or Sangwa. She said she did find her studio. Yeah. All right. So for the past 1 week and we done the run one matter where we say, Amina all the way from the Gambia. She been come. Me I meet her for outside. She sleep outside because she did look for expensive. And when I reluctantly hear waiting she carry come, she said she sleep outside on a Wednesday because she saw me on a Thursday evening and I no fit handle the matter that Thursday. And she be woman and cold don't enter her body. I have to go book hotel for her, put her for the hotel where she sleep till Friday, where all of us can't hear the matter where she carry come. All right, today we're going to know whether the matter na real or na fake or na scam. Because the matter self, after we do it can't reach the level. We have to involve the Ogidi Union Nigeria, all of them, because the woman been claimed say the only thing where she know about her husband will be Emeka, saying they hear from the mouth of the husband where he tell the son say he come from Ogidi. All right, the story in a brief story where we go just summarize small. According by waiting the woman cry come, he said and tell him say his husband when he marry for 2009, he know they exist, meaning say the man don't die. She no believe, and the person will bring the message during the time where she can't shout make neighbor come. By the time she turn eye, make it explain to neighbor, say, see the man will bring this message. She no see the man again. Now the papa will faint after the story. They rush him go hospital. They revive him. He come back 3 months after the papa kaput. Just because Emeka was so nice to all of them. The Emeka in question will be the husband of Amina. He built house for them for Gambia. He buy motor, he open supermarket, he born 4 children. Among the 4 children, the last ones will be 4 years now. Then be 3 months that time when he no come back again. Then be 4 years now, right? Then be 4 years now. Okay, make we no talk too much. Come on for Ogun. Now the matter don't go worldwide because as I tell you, both the king of Ogidi they don't hear all this one. Both those for diaspora they don't hear. I tell you, say make you call somebody, we go 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 tell somebody. So that all of now go tune in on top the number 1 radio station 95.1 Wazobia FM for Evening Oyoyo. All right, make I introduce myself properly because I did forget say I be ambassador. My name is Ambassador James Expensive because they don't give me peace ambassador. Yes, United Nations. And I get the president Ogidi Union Nigeria Lagos branch, Barrister Dan Chu Okoye himself. He dey inside the studio. Barrister, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming.
Pleased to be here.
Yes, this one is the 3rd time where you dey come because of this matter. And for a barrister to be part of this matter, you're supposed to know, say, the matter strong. All right, now, make it not be like, say, we know do our consultancy very, very well. We get another strong man, the Vice President, Ogidi Union Nigeria, Lagos branch, Chief Barrister TNT Okonkwo Iche. Welcome to Wazobia FM, sir.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to be in your studio.
Confirm. You be our biggest fan, sir. Because I don't say to the ask of everybody. Where cheap boy? We are that doom. Where you? We are saying this one.
Not true. You talk. Not true. I'll be a fan of Wazobia.
All right. Thank you for being our fan. And we get Mr. Onyebuchi, will be member Ogidi Union Nigeria. Mr. Onyebuchi, you're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. All right. And we can't get the woman will move all these strong people. Because of her story, these strong people, we get other members, other Ogidi members than they, but we go let you know later. We get Amina all the way from the Gambia, the wife of a Mecca. Amina, you're welcome.
Thank you. Good evening, Nigerians.
All right. Okay, Amina, you've been... I go on, because now time they use adverts could break us. I go on make you help us summarize your story. Thus, you know what they call summarize? Those cut and make you tell us how it take happen.
I met my husband. Good evening again once more to all Nigerians all over the world, fans of Wazobia. Good evening, everybody. It was in 2009 when I met my husband. I was on my way going to see my auntie.
Okay.
We met in a public transport.
Public transport?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So he asked me to give him my phone. That I want to put his own number. I gave him my phone, but he did not put his number.
Okay.
And I did not give him my number.
Okay.
It was when I returned back home that he called me. When I picked the call, he told me it was him. I said, but I did not give you my number. He said, yes. The time I gave him the phone, that was the time he took my number. I didn't say much. So we started communicating. He told me his intention. I asked him to come and see my father. So he came to see my father. The first day he came, he told my father that my father should take him as his son. That he doesn't have anybody in my country, meaning the Gambia. My father said, okay, no problem. So he told my father immediately his intention that he wants to marry me. So the day he came to stay with us, that time we never married because he came to our house before we get married.
Okay.
When he was coming, he brought a white car, brown new car, but the car was not licensed. So he stayed with us till my father showed him everything that he should do concerning the marriage. So he now asked my father to use our own people to be on his side.
Okay.
But before that, there's one my elder brother. Maybe if we call him, we can get him. My father called him. He's my cousin brother. So he came. Him, my father, and my husband. They sat together. I was not there. They asked him some questions, which he answered. And that was the time he told my father that I don't want to be among people. That my father should bring people for him when he wants to marry me. So we agreed, because for us, it's not a must that if you are getting married, your husband should be there.
Okay, that's your tradition.
Yes, it's not a must.
Okay.
It's not by force. So we did that wedding.
But he was present?
He was in the house.
Inside the house?
Yes.
He didn't come out?
No.
There were crowd in the wedding?
Yes. It's a normal wedding.
Okay.
But he never came out.
So who sponsored the wedding?
He's the one. My father did not spend one single dalasi.
It was a Mecca. Okay, the denomination is dalasi.
Yes.
Dalasi.
Yes.
Okay, not naira.
No.
Okay.
My father did not spend anything. He spent everything.
All right.
So, but before the marriage, he started helping my father.
Okay.
Because our building was not finished. It's only one my father finished.
Okay.
He finished the whole flat and built another single one in the compound.
Where was he working?
I never see him go to work.
You didn't ask him where he get money to finish house?
No, I never asked him any question.
Why?
Only God.
On a tradition, no, they ask question. Since on a tradition, they accept say, man fit marry when he know they present.
No.
You didn't ask?
No, I did not.
All right, carry on.
So after that, my father gave us a land.
Okay, hold on. Your father gave you land.
Yes.
Don't forget, Nadia will stop with the come. Was your FM now still there? And that one, now the music of Chief Osita Osadebe. He said, make you no cry. Okay, Amina, within the talk, you say your father give land. He give land to who?
To us, me and my husband.
Okay, you and your husband after the marriage.
Yes.
Okay. How many plots? Okay.
It's a big land.
Okay, very big land. I figure get one plot there, ba, after we finish all this. Well, we'll begin to migrate. Now. All right. So how old you dey where you marry first?
17 years.
Okay, you did 17 years.
Yes.
Where you marry Emeka.
Yes.
How old was Emeka then?
I don't know his age. He was a big man.
He was a big man. Big man.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So he give you people land. Oh yeah, let's go. Pa.
So my husband now build on the land. He built a house and a shop. That is where we were living.
Okay.
He made a very big shop, which he gave me money to put goods there. I put goods there. So that was the business we were doing.
Which kind of business?
It was like a provision shop, but we sell hair of all types because I do hair.
Okay.
Yes.
You are a stylist.
Yes.
Okay. So now you can't begin to
we are
sell.
living together happily.
Okay.
As I said before, he's not somebody that talks too much.
Okay.
And if niceness was a person, he's that person. He was very nice to me and my family. 2010, I gave birth to our first son, a boy.
Okay.
When I gave birth to that boy, the first explanation I told the whole Nigerian that if I see my husband people, there are things I will say about my husband. They will know if it's my husband or not.
Okay.
I gave birth to the boy with a bone on his leg, and the father have it, my husband. I gave birth to the second child. My second child was a girl. She also have the bone.
A guy.
A girl.
Girl. Which one be girl again?
A female.
Oh, female.
Yes,
girl.
a female child.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
When I gave birth to her in 2015,
okay,
she also have the bones, but for her it's on her stomach.
Oh, she still get born again.
Yes, you think it's hot water that they pour on somebody. Yes, so 2021, before 2021, my father's friend, who also my husband was very nice to, told my father that the way my husband is behaving, he wants my father to ask my husband, let him bring us to Nigeria.
Okay.
So my father started pressuring him. He now said, okay, he'll bring us. The time he showed, COVID came.
Okay.
So because of that COVID, we could not travel.
Okay.
My father stopped pressuring him.
Okay.
So later he now told my father 2021 we'll come to Nigeria.
Okay.
My father said no problem. So I gave birth. The day I gave birth was the day of Arafat. Those that are Muslim will know what is that day. It's a day, if you fast for 2 years, like 2026, 2027, your sins will be forgiven.
Okay.
The ones you've committed already, they will be wiped off by the Almighty. So that was the day I gave birth to the twins.
To the twins.
Yes.
A boy and a girl.
Yes.
Okay.
So when we came back, we did the naming ceremony. We didn't have problem with him because we know he will not show.
Okay.
We know.
Oh,
he
you
will not
already
snap.
okay. He doesn't snap.
No.
He doesn't attend party.
No.
So he still provided money for the naming.
Everything that those twins we killed cow. Those twins, their naming ceremony. So after that, the other day, I didn't remember. It was my son that told me when I told him the confrontation about that picture. He told me that it was the day for the twins, their naming ceremony. My daughter, my second child, she took her phone to snap her, the brother, and the father inside the room. Their father did not show, which is my husband, no. So my daughter came to the shop and showed it to me and told me that, Mommy, because it was the other day, that CEO, I snapped daddy and daddy did not show. I told her, your father don't like picture. Why did you even snap him? I just
discharge
drive
her.
her. Yes, I did not put.
So your mind did not go there. That why this man no show?
No.
All right.
I never had 1 minute of doubt of anything for him. One, as I said, we've never argued. He doesn't talk too much. He's nice. Anything you ask, this man will just go inside and bring it out. Anything. As
He will go inside where?
Inside the room.
And bring it.
Yes.
Does he have a bag of money there?
I've never seen him with even a wallet.
All right. We will come back. Let's go and do our 7 o'clock news. You say your daughter been snap picture with your son and your husband in no show.
No.
You just discharge your daughter.
Yes.
Okay.
So, in September, that same 2021,
Okay.
after that incident happened, after that snapping, that same year, in September, that time the twins were 3 months old.
Okay.
So he left to go and pick the 2 children from school.
Okay, increase your voice more for us.
He left to go and pick the 2 children from school.
Okay.
When he left, after some minutes, I was in the shop. Somebody came with a bicycle, a man. He greeted me and he asked about him. And I told him my husband is not around. He went to pick the kids from school. So the man now asked me if he can come and sit. But our shop, you cannot sit inside unless I open the house gate.
Yeah.
So I said, okay. I opened the house gate. He came inside. Being that it was the first time somebody to come and ask of my husband. So the man came inside.
Okay, nobody has ever asked of him?
No.
No friend? No relative?
No. One day. So the man now sat down. I started calling my husband. I called him, he did not pick. So the man later, he asked me, you call him? I say, yes, since you came, he's the one I've been calling, but he's not picking. The man now asked me, where are my parents? I told him where they were. He said that if I can call my father. He asked of my father specifically. I said, okay. I called my father and my father came. When my father came, the man now said he wants to talk to my father privately. My father now told him, you said you came to Emeka. This is the wife. How are you calling me privately to talk? My father didn't want to. I told my father in our language that go and talk to him. I don't know why he wants to talk to you. Just go. So my father, when they talk, when they came back, both of them, they were sitting on the same
seat.
Yes, me, I was sitting on a different chair. So my father now asked him that he should tell me what he told him. So the man now explained that, Emeka, that is my husband, is late. I didn't understand. I said, what? He said, yes, Emeka is dead. Immediately he said that one, I called my father. I called him one. He did not. But he was. I called him for the second time, nothing. I got up to go and check him. Like, talk to him. He was not responding. So I shouted. And people came, the neighbors. When they came, I now explained to them that this is what. Immediately I said the man. I did not see the man. The man was not there. The bicycle the man brought. I did not see the bicycle because he bring the bicycle inside.
Okay.
I did not see the bicycle. Only my husband's car that was parked. So they now rushed with my father to the hospital. I was there. I went there. We were there. My father got admitted for 2 weeks before he finally discharged. He came, but every day, if I am crying, he will cry with me. He came now and stay with me in my house, my father. Because he used to call my husband. He said, my husband is the son that he has been praying for because of what he did. He's the one that helped my father to go for Hajj. My husband. Okay. Us, we have 2 big holidays in my place. The one is the Ramadan holiday. The second one is Tubaski. In a normal word for Muslims, is called Donke Sali. That Donke, if you're married, your husband will kill a ram for you and your mother. Since 2010, my husband has been doing it till that 2021 because it was after the Tubaski that this thing happened.
Was over FM now still there? Okay, and yes, Amina don't tell us how the thing take happen, and I go just want to ask her small question because it is then therefore inside the studio for this same matter. All right, now you say after that thing happen where you shout, people come, the man will come break the news, say make her done late, you not see him again.
At all.
Then admit your father for hospital for 2 months.
2
2 weeks. Okay. And they can't return back.
Yes.
All right. So you say after 3 months, we will not see Emeka.
He passed.
He come pass. That is he kaput.
Yes.
Okay. Say na Emeka na the son where he want abi.
Yes.
Where
He
no
never.
get.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now I hear say for Gambia there this kind of thing never happened before. Not true?
No, I've never had this story in my
so
life.
So waiting can happen and say then people can't they run away from una?
Yes. People were saying a lot of things. Yeah.
So they know they patronize your business again?
No.
If you want buy
I go in the market, because our country is small. So if you are staying like this area, almost all of you know yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how our place is. Okay. So that's my own area. Yes.
So you cannot buy, you cannot sell. People were running.
Yes.
Even in school, stigma on your children.
They started, yes,
Chai.
on the boy.
Okay. So now you have to remove them for that area.
We left, yes. We left the country, not only the area. We left.
And I go another country.
Yes.
All right. Now, you talk a story, say, when suffer come too much, you can't try to sell that Emeka car. Wetin happen? Briefly.
That time, we never start to suffer. It was the time I wanted to relocate them.
Okay.
So I now said I want to sell the car. They brought somebody. We talked for 140,000, 120,000. The person now gave me 100,000. The money remained only 20,000, which is less. The person, I called him. He said he leave me with the money.
He didn't come
No.
to pick the car?
No.
And he didn't come to collect the money?
No, he did not collect the money back.
He left the 100,000
yes.
dollars for you.
Yes.
Ha, wow. All right, now, so how you finally decide to come Nigeria, and how you come Nigeria?
Okay.
Briefly.
It's my second child, the girl. Even when their father was around, they were very close.
Okay.
So she was the one that told me that when school closed, if I cannot come to Nigeria, maybe I can see their father.
Okay.
I said, okay. So when school closed, I now decide that I'm coming. I have to sell my wedding ring and things that I know I will sell fast. I put the money together. I bought my tickets with earpiece. I bought the tickets for $530. The remaining money, I kept it in my hand. I came. When I came, I lodged in one hotel. I was living there. But the day I came, the other day, I was sick. I was sick for almost 4 to 5 days before I regained myself back. I now spoke to somebody in the restaurant because the hotel had a restaurant. I now explained to that. I just wake up that morning and said, let me explain to this person. Maybe this person can direct me. So I now explained.
Where were you going?
I don't even know.
Okay.
I don't even know. So it's the person now that told me that I should come to Wazobia. If I come, let me ask for Oga Expensive. I said, okay. When I was coming, I forgot the way the person directs me to come. So I stand like this. I saw one man across the road. He was with children. The children now crossed towards where I was. I wanted to cross, go and meet the man. The man now crossed again. Come and meet me. But the children did not come again to the man. The man just leaned by himself on a car. So I went to the man.
Hope it's not the same white cow. You didn't see the color.
No, it was not even white.
Okay.
The man I explained to the man why I came to Nigeria. Because I forgot the name of this Wazobia. I forget everything.
Okay.
The same man now told me I should come to Wazobia and ask for Oga Expensive. The other man. Yes. So that man now is the one that followed me, put me inside car, told the bus conductor where to drop me. Yes.
And you came to Wazobia?
Yes. So when I came, I met the security. I explained the way I explained. But he diverts my mind. He told me he wants to write something else. He wrote that thing and give me. He said, but I should not call the number. I should just text. He did not tell me if it's WhatsApp or text message. For me, I think it's WhatsApp. Okay. So I checked for the number on WhatsApp. The number is not there. So I now think the money I was having that was left with me. If I want to go to where I'm coming from, I cannot pay the hotel and I cannot come back. I said, okay. I go down. I saw one man. I asked the man. I say, I came to that Wazobia to come and see Oga Expensive. But he said, he's not around. I say, so I want to sleep around here. I just want to know where I can stay. The man is the one now that bring me back. There's just, after this your building, there's another building just opposite. There are some people sitting there. He now talked to them. He told them that I should sit there and sleep there. So that was where I was. That night, rain even come. It rained. Yes. So in the morning, I came back. What God did for me when I came back now, that man that gave me that paper, he was not there. The security. I met another security. I still explained to him that I came to see you. Him too, he said, no. Wait, let me call somebody else. He now called the person. He gave the phone to me for me to talk to the person. So I greeted the person. I talked to the person. The person too now told me, no, tell him to show you to expensive. I now told him that, that's the name. They said if I come, I should ask. So I said, but he's the one that said. He said, give him the phone. I now gave the phone back to the security man. And the man now told him, no, show him to expensive. This is how I met Oga Expensive that evening.
All right. Any which way, me, I dey always come 6, and at 6, I dey show, and I know they talk to anybody. That day, I don't know, waiting just make my spirit listen to her. And she told me she slept outside, blah, blah, blah. I don't say, you be woman and you be foreigner. Okay, I don't late, I don't late. I no go fit listen to you well. That day was a Thursday. I said, okay, tomorrow, na Friday. Okay. You saying, so what happened to your husband? He tell me. I said, okay. I no go feel leave you to sleep outside again because you say now Shodi, now you be in lodge and you sick and you no get money. I can't call one driver, make he go check for hotel around. You see hotel, now I give her money, make he go pay. Now so then take carry her, go the hotel where she go lodge. Then on Friday, I bring her come radio, where be saying the whole story. Now when I hear where be say, and she never asks Emeka anything about himself or where he came from. But the way Ugidi take come out, say Emeka they always discuss with the first son. Say he get one brother. Okay, talking about yourself. Pak.
So when I wanted to come, my son is the one now that gave me the description that if I come, their father is from, I know he was from that Anambra state.
Okay.
But that Onitsha, Ogidi, I don't know.
Okay.
It's my son that told me that the father said he's from Anambra state, Onitsha, Ogidi. He said, and he has his uncle, meaning my husband's brother. Who is in Onitsha. He sells drugs. He normally tell my son that my son will take after that man. My son will land that job. So my son now told me that let me just look for that their uncle. They said his name is, he was saying Ozo. He said Ozo is a title name.
Okay.
My son never remember any other name, any other thing.
Okay.
So when I came, I explained to you, I explained to Nigerians that this is the only thing I know. But I told them that if I see my husband's people, there's something that will let me know that they are his people. Okay. And if I go to the village, I must see them.
All right. Now, they say in brother, they say drug na Ozo. Ozo na title name.
Yes.
Abi?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we come talk for radio. Nigerians come raise small money.
Yes.
Like 506,000.
Yes.
Now we begin to feed this woman, come put them for hotel properly, just to find the people, So that day, the next day, somebody came with phone numbers, Ogidi
Very
Town
early.
Union people, very early. I don't meet the person, but that was how I called the Ogidi people. They said they were coming that day. That day, they no come. The next day, we called them. Then said, then they road, they come. They no come. We make me come provoke. So, okay, we no need Ogidi people again. But little did I know that Ogidi people are wonderful
nice.
people. Very nice people.
Very nice.
And with that, I am happy to present to you in the studio, like I introduced before, the President Ogidi Union Nigeria Lagos branch, Barrister Dan Chu Okoye. Once again, welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right, and we equally have the Vice President Ogidi Union Nigeria Lagos branch, Chief Barrister TNT Okonkwo. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right, and we have one of their member again, Mr. Onyebuchi, member Ogidi Union Nigeria. Onyebuchi, talk to microphone. All right, Barrister, you hear the story now. Now you can't do the DSS. All right. So, you and the union people, about 10-8, you came before now.
Yes.
Yes, and you decided to go back and make investigation, sir. So the ball is in your court, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right.
We came on a fact-finding mission.
Okay.
And obviously, Amina was annoyed because we asked multiple questions.
Multiple questions.
Every conceivable question was asked. very irritating, very probing. In fact, at a point in time, I cautioned her that she should not reply question with question. That if she does that again, we will take a walk. Why did we do that? I wanted to authenticate her. Let's start with her first. But I must say, with the highest conviction, that she's relaying her story. I have that conviction. I'm a Christian, tongue speaking. I don't believe in reincarnation. I don't believe in translocation, or whatever you call it.
All right.
It's not my belief. But what I know is that Amina is saying the truth. I have worked with a law enforcement agency outside Nigeria. And we have been involved in cross-examination. And without discussing with my colleagues, I came with 2 other senior lawyers, my vice president, Chief Barrister Tienti Okonkwo, and another lawyer, Sir Philip Ikokocha, a very senior lawyer, over 30 years post-call. When we were comparing notes, we all came to the irresistible conclusion that Amina, in Ogidi we call her Mrs. X. That's the name I use. Mrs. X wasn't lying. I've never seen this kind of strange occurrence. At least we've heard the stories of maybe a late person being seen. By the time people move close to the place, the person disappears. But a person that is late, getting married, having children, is strange. But the fact remains that she was not lying. We now had to put it on our various social media
platforms.
And then stories kept on referring to one Emeka that had an accident. He had an accident, died. At the point he died, he was building a house that got to up to lintel level. He has a younger brother into pharmaceuticals.
All right, we are coming, sir. Let us take this. All right, so 95.1 was Zobia FM. Now we're still there, and the story continues, and we don't hand over the baton to the President Ogidi Union Nigeria, Lagos branch, Barrister Dan Chu Okoye. They talk about Emeka, a brother. All right, Barrister, we could continue.
Yeah, thank you very much. The information we got from one of our townsmen that came to meet with us said the late Emeka has a younger brother that deals in pharmaceuticals in Onitsha. And Emeka was fond of that, his younger brother. Then another thing that became very strange is that even though Emeka is not from Ikenga, the mother was from Ikenga. And anytime that is Ikenga is his maternal home. And the brother told us that anytime Emeka gets to Ogidi, he will first go to Ikenga. Another surprising coincidence, we like call it strange coincidence, was that Emeka, before his passing, was building a house, which he got to up to lintel level. Then, another coincidence, Emeka was about to get married. In fact, the lady is still alive, married to another person. So this is an unfulfilled dream. Then to crown it all, he had an accident with a white vehicle, unregistered. He drove it for the first time, just bought it. He ran into a trailer. along Apapa Oshodi My 2 Express.
Hmm.
And he died on the spot. To crown it all, we were told that maybe the body wasn't preserved well. When they got to Ogidi, when he was taken home by the town union in 1999.
Oh, 1999.
Yes. That the family nearly rejected the body. They say, this person appears bigger. The mother came. He had to check his feet and saw the mark from hot water. He had that domestic accident, according to the family, when he was young. Then, what am I saying? The family had the option of keeping quiet. If they hadn't come to talk to us, we would not have repeated as we would not have come for the second trip. Why did we come? That was on Tuesday. On a scale of 0 to 10, I put it at 7.5. That the family was convinced that the story resonates with the person of their late brother. What will I now do? I now told them to get his picture and some other pictures. I have to do identification parade. It was soft copy. I forwarded the soft copies, 6 pictures, to my vice president. But on his way with one of our members who has been coming with us, Sir Philip Ikokocha, they told me that it would be better to print the pictures. Pictures are here. 6 pictures. They printed it as produced by the family, the digital pictures. So when we came, I informed you that we'll be here on Tuesday, 6. You had no knowledge. You don't even know physically how Emeka looked like. The family had no contact with Amina or Mrs. X. There was no underhand dealing. And in the presence of over 12 witnesses, including the GM, Amina was given 6 pictures. She quickly eliminated 4. She was left with 2. And in that 2, he said, well, they look like Emeka, but they are darker. The secretary of association now asked Amina, maybe the camera, maybe the printing, narrowed down to 1. Like a boat, she chose Emeka's picture.
The same Emeka.
Without knowing, you were not even aware, neither the GM. I now asked Emeka's younger brother, who came with us, the index Emeka, tell us who is in that picture. She now said, it's Emeka, my brother.
The world, when I don't hear them, na reality. Reality.
A very strange occurrence. As I said earlier, I don't believe in reincarnation. In fact, if you tell me I reincarnated, I will tell you no. I've never come to this world before. That is my belief, personal belief. But the fact remains that this story is real.
It's real.
And the only person I know that can explain this story is God. Because the human knowledge is limited, and one is not able to rationalize strange occurrence, strange coincidence. The coincidence is something else. And for people talking about money, I don't see Amina as looking for money. If she's looking for money, she has struck the wrong chord, because the family was looking up to Emeka, and Emeka now carried the money to Gambia. They're not rich. That's the truth. They're not rich. And so that is the truth. It is strange, and I'm still not able to rationalize it. But I have some facts.
Okay.
The facts remains that Emeka's sibling, the young man that came with us the other day, the person that learned trade under him, that was the first person that called me. He was that one. He would have been here, but they were held on traffic.
Okay.
He was the person that called Onyebuchi and said, Tunto Wazobia. Listen well. There appear to be some, this story is dancing somehow. And we have always had that belief that the person that may appear somewhere may be somebody that died suddenly, most likely in an accident. Even though have not been able to verify it. Neither as a person have been able to get this kind of very close testimony. At least I witnessed the parade, the picture parade. And the pictures were secured, touched by just lawyers. He didn't even know the number of pictures we printed. But even though he forwarded it to us. I was in a hurry, but I felt that if she missed it, I would just quietly go. So that is where we are. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, sir. The vice president will talk, but madam, when you first come, when we they ask you, say, it can get big. You say you don't know any village. What did I tell you?
You said
when
you said Ogidi is big.
He's big. Because the first day where Ogidi people come, there was nothing like Ikenga. Then have the verse. Say, which village? Ogidi is very, very big.
Ikenga was there when they came.
Yes.
Okay, so what happened? How did we get Ikenga?
It was the Friday when we went online.
Okay.
There was no Ikenga.
Okay.
So that Friday when I went to the hotel, you people followed me.
Yeah.
So when you people left, I wanted to take the medicine that you bought.
I told you something. I
just felt cold. So I went to lie down.
But I tell you something, say, Shebi make I love you now.
Yes.
Make you meditate to your husband, may tell you in village.
Yes. So it was when I checked my phone, I noticed that my phone was charged 100%. And now I was scared I called you. And you told me you cannot do me anything if I did not tell you that he was nice. I said, yes, he was very nice to me. You said, let me just be meditating. Let him direct us where to go and how to do things. That was how I slept. I just saw him in my dream. In the same car, I first met him. So it's like we were going, but I was angry. So
how many people?
It was just the same transport we were.
Okay.
So he asked me, he said, why, Oma, why are you angry? What is the problem? I said, you are the problem. He said, are you sure? I said, yes, you are the problem. He said, okay, let's go. So we continued. I did not see us get down, but I saw us here at the security post. So he now asked the security man too, that if he's not the one that told the man to go and buy me food, the man did not answer him. Later, I just saw that man, me, him. We came up here. When we came, you were here. There was somebody among us who was strange, who I could not recognize. So he now greeted you and told you that you are his brother. That's why he brought me to you. And you said, He said, yes, I brought her to you so that you can help her. And you asked him, you said, I cannot help her. One, I don't know where you are coming from. The help I can give is what I have already given. He said, no. He said he's from Ikenga, Ogidi. And he said, okay. And he said, let's go to his church. So we left here to go to the church. But we get down in a place where you will enter. You will leave the highway and enter. So immediately we reached to that church. He now told you that let's go inside and ask for Pastor Timothy.
Okay.
Immediately you turned. I don't know what you wanted to ask him. None of us saw him again. This is how I wake up.
All right, una don't hear the story. Now we go take a small break. We go do action time. Because of this story, we go come back again. Because we still get many surprises. The vice president never talk. We still get one other surprise. All right, welcome to Action Time! Barrister TNT, how far do you have any transport? Because you can't waste that name now. TNT Okonkwo. Yes. You know I'm a prophet, so I don't prophesy to you now. All right, the microphone is directly in front of you, sir, on this issue.
Well, the truth of the matter is that we'll give God all the glory. Because if not for God, Amina will have come to Nigeria, come to Lagos without achieving her purpose. Actually, the spirit of Emeka, our brother, is actually pushing her. Because after we came to Wazobia, that was on 30th of July, Ogidi people were actually angry with Wazobia FM because it was as if there is no Ogidi. Meanwhile, we have a very strong union. So when we came, we actually interviewed Amina for more than 3-4 hours. We were not in the studio, but we were right here in Wazobia.
Yes.
We asked all manner of questions. You can imagine we are not less than 3 lawyers with other Ogidi people. We ask questions. But the truth of the matter is that Amina was very, very consistent in her answers. You dribble her as a lawyer from here, you will still get the same answer. You dribble her from here, will still get the same answer. So after we left Wazobia, we decided to, we never told Wazobia, we never told Amina that we are going to get any breakaway. We decided to publish the thing in all the platforms of Ogidi Union. Everywhere, no matter the name, we decided to put it there. And after we have published the story, the family now came up. Now, when the family came up, they decided to contact the president of Ogidi Union Nigeria Lagos branch, Barrister Dan Chuokoye. And let it not just be a story. We invited the family to Ogidi Union executive meeting that was last Saturday. And we had an interaction with them. And they owned up, told us what happened, told us how Emeka died in a motor accident, told us how Emeka was preparing to get married, told us how Emeka had an uncompleted building, told us how Emeka had a white vehicle unregistered. In fact, their story, we now asked them, if truly what Amina is saying is the truth, are you people ready to accept the 4 children and accept Amina? The family said yes. As a union, we cannot, because the family have come up to say, look, this story Amina is presenting in Wazobia, that there is element of truth. The truth of the matter is that I will not blame anybody who did not believe the story. Me, Chief Barrister TNT Okonkwo, the Vice President of Ogidi Union Nigeria Lagos branch, KSC, Knight of St. Christopher. If not that, I came to Wazobia on 30th of July, came back again last Tuesday, and today I'm live in the studio. Seeing Amina, I may doubt, but having seen what we did as a union was to create an enabling environment where the family, having interacted with Amina, because what also convinced us, just like my president reported, when the family came up with 6 different pictures, of course, inclusive of that of Emeka, and we asked Amina, okay, the Wazobia people never knew we are coming on Tuesday. Amina never knew that we are coming on Tuesday. In fact, she has given up because of the barrage of questions we put up to her on 30th of July. But okay, expensive prevail on her. Wait, miracle can happen. You never can tell. Hold on, don't go back to Gambia. Hold on. And as God did it, it's still in fact, to the best of my knowledge, I don't think that such a thing have ever happened in Ogidi. Such a thing have never happened in Ogidi. But here we are. So with that picture identification, she initially removed 4 pictures. And those 4 pictures she removed, at least with my naked eyes, 3 of the pictures are actually people that, these people are handsome, or this guy is handsome. She, after the elimination, removed 4 and left with 2. Inside that 2, one is the Emeka. One is the cousin of Emeka, the maternal cousin from Ikenga. And we insisted on, okay, the secretary of Ogidi Union said, Madam, yes, choose, we want to know. Notwithstanding you say Emeka is fair. Yes. You say you know your husband. Yes. Or you use the face now to know your husband. Like a miracle. The woman just picked the Emeka. And when the brother, who is also with us here in the studio, the brother will still talk, Onyebuchi. When he now said, this Emeka you picked, or this picture you picked is the Emeka, he's late. The woman cry. That last Tuesday, uncontrollable. Now the female people of Wazobia, she cry as if tomorrow no day. So, like I said before, I don't blame anybody who no believe the story. But what I'm saying, live and direct, saying that the story na real, the story na true. But I don't blame anybody who no believe the story. But because I dey directly involved, the story not true.
Put your hands together. All right, this one history. Now we they make in the next 500 years. All of us where they involved, then go they see our picture. Say these people made history. They investigated this story. You know, I want to thank the Ogidi Union Nigeria Lagos branch. On behalf of the management of Wazobia FM, una do the one where they call a yeoman's job. Chief Barrister TNT Okonkwo, thank you very, very plenty for even letting the world know, emphasizing on it. Say this story, say you for no belief, but because you dey involved, I even know, say the president from beginning, he no agree. The woman said they pray make a slap somebody. I know who he dey pray make. Barrister that you from beginning say, you know what? Your own be say, this story is fallacy. It's a scam. But thank God, I beg, you want to let the world know, say you don't believe, or you still don't believe.
As I said, it's only God that can explain the circumstances. But all the parties, both Amina and the Index family, Emeka's family, the Emeka that we know, none of them is lying. That one is certain. I spoke to my PG. He told me, Chief Honorable Iku Kokoye, we've been communicating. It's like dream. I called him. His title is Anu Million. Say Anu Million Ogiri Obo Dream. No be dream. This is reality.
Reality.
Orogizi Muje. Who told me to go. Shebi I do on my own. And I say, no, they don't talk Ogiri, make you go. See the results. Remember our private discussions. So it's real. And, I think it's in the Bible, in the last days, strange things will happen. In Igbo, I say, na ife na ade eme geme. Na akwụkwọ ga-acha n'ọdụ igu. You know? And strange things is actually strange, but not false. It's strange. A lot of multiple coincidence. He carried the money where for take build house, go build them for Gambia. When I go return that house.
All right. Thank you, Mr. President. And for now, to make it more real, the younger brother of Emeka, in person of Mr. Onyebuchi, what will be your surname?
Ekunia.
Ekunia. Yeah. No carry him. That's why you know Greek carry Emeka, wa? My friend carry him that time. Onyebuchi, how you dey?
I'm fine.
Help me near the mic, I beg.
Okay.
Adjust.
Yes, okay, it's good.
All right. Onyebuchi.
Sir.
Who be Emeka to you?
It's my senior brother.
Your senior brother?
Yeah.
The same mama, the same papa?
Now senior me direct. As soon as breast finish, I may continue.
Now you continue?
Yeah.
Now you suck the breast dry. Because your mouth look like, mouth will like breast. All right, now, make we verify from you. Because Emeka go marry for 2009. Which year Emeka die?
It's 1999.
1999?
October 6.
October 6.
Yeah.
Which business Emeka they do?
They say pass for Trinity.
For Trinity?
Yeah.
Where him they live?
Osulere. Yanite.
Yanotire?
Yeah.
Now him they live.
Yes.
He died 1999?
Of course.
Waiting kill him?
Accident.
Motor accident?
Yeah.
So where una bury am, for Lagos or for village?
For village.
Una carry and go village?
Yes, sir.
So as he die, wetin happen for him burial? Anything happen?
That day, not be small thing. Because then carry and come. That day, then call me. My call, before they open the
Coffee.
I shout, no care anybody, no near the coffee. Then give gap. I can select people who carry and enter inside. As I carry and enter inside, as they open them, swell up inside the coffee. Now I was say this is not my brother.
Wait, how many days in that before they carry and come village?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Then put her for mortuary here.
Yeah, for Lagos, Ikeja.
Okay, for loot.
Yeah. Let them put them.
And then put them.
Yeah.
So, as on a carry reach village, then do all the normal thing where they're supposed to do.
Yeah.
Then bury them.
Then bury, yeah.
You mean say if we follow una go una village now, we go see the grave?
And near the house now, that's where they be.
Yeah.
Before he die. And window where they sleep at the front and bury them. My where I they sleep. I go village now. Then bury for front like this.
Now, which kind of person Emeka be? Emeka a troublemaker, Emeka a gentleman, Emeka a nice man.
Gentle and nice.
He dey generous.
Well.
All right, now, madam, they talk about one of Emeka brother, I say title Ozo, because she come here with Emeka Sunday. We don't know waiting be the surname. He give us more concern. Say Emeka Sunday, he get one brother for Onitsha. He say, you get any cousin or brother they sell drugs?
My junior brother go to sell drugs for Onitsha.
Your junior brother?
Yeah.
The one will follow you?
Yeah, one will follow me for boy because I seen a woman. My sister comes to Sunday.
Oh, now Sunday be the guy where they sell drugs.
For Onitsha.
Oh, not be Emeka name, not be Sunday.
No. I'm senior person.
Okay, because the woman comes say Emeka, he say waiting me Sunday. He say does no Emeka Sunday. Say get one. Okay, that your brother now. He get any title?
No, not get title.
Well, also uncle.
Also, is a title name. Can call somebody big man like also or Ichie.
Okay, that guy name where people give.
Yeah. Like if you call one of my brother, big man also. So something like that.
All right, now then say that the way they select this picture.
Yeah.
Say now Emeka support that your brother will start the business now through.
Yeah.
How much you give him?
200,000.
200,000.
Emeka don't mention the money because he learn that Sunday. He learn medicine from Jos.
Okay.
As income to our village Ogidi. So that time my brother on the Lagos here. They sell medicine. They sell engine pass. So anytime he say he go give son the 200,000. When he see shop furniture, and I mean find the shop that time furniture. So one of our brother, where they call to you, and help and find a shop. We pay 6,000 for that on that time. At time it's okay make the idea. Say when you go Lagos, you go give him 200,000. So as this thing happen, I mean give us on the 200,000. So use the call Lagos, buy a market, go for insurance.
So how the guy they do now? He don't progress where?
Yeah.
I mean still they hustle.
It's don't progress.
He don't progress.
Yeah.
You now, you said after Emeka that you come Lagos.
Yeah.
So you not live with Emeka for Lagos at all?
No, I don't chat.
Okay.
Mukobusi. I stay in my village. They come on market. But I come Lagos, come by pass.
Okay. You two, they sell parts?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So now part you see they do now?
No, I don't do fast again.
What do they do now?
I'm driving.
Okay, they do driving.
Yeah.
So why you no can't do the part will make your brother get money?
I say, I travel. That time I did that train. I go Indian.
Okay.
Yeah, after I come back. There's no day the way I plan.
Okay.
But that India, I come. I did Lagos Island.
Okay.
They say polo.
Okay.
For Gaba Square.
Okay.
I put Zoluwale. After I come divert to say the drive motor.
All right, so you say the Emeka they prepare to marry before he get that accident.
Yeah. In time you say if you finish building, then get married by next year, which is year 2000. So come down 1999.
Chai. So the woman wey want marry still there?
I don't know.
You don't know. Yeah. But you know the lady that time?
Of course.
You know him?
Yeah.
You don't ever see Emeka for dream?
No.
You never see him? Since when he go?
Since that time when he go to the village, I see her once. When he tell me say, he don't go. I take care of the children once.
So you dey do wetin Emeka talk?
Of course not.
You sure?
Of course.
Because I go call your family.
You no get problem.
Because Emeka dey here. Now Emeka lead this woman from Gambia come Nigeria. The woman don't know anybody.
I know.
He dey here as we dey talk now.
I know.
All right, now see your brother wife. You ever believe say your brother get wife and children?
I don't believe it happened like a miracle.
You don't see the pictures of the children?
Yeah.
You believe saying your brother children? Why? Why you believe?
It's a resemble of see now.
It resemble na.
You can see some. You see our face. Even though there's no belief, but me, I believe because blood no dey lie.
Blood no dey lie. Okay, you talk because for the first son, bros, go they catch you. For this first son, I see one scar. You get one picture. If you that first son, you get one picture. You go see one mark for the boy leg. Then say, "Otota boy make up for small pikin.
Yeah.
He get scar for his leg."
Yeah.
The son, madam, your son too get scar.
Yes.
For
My
the same
son
leg.
Yes, my son get, the girl get.
The girl gets
Yes.
like born.
Yes.
That your son, oh, na natural. Na so you born abi.
That's why I born both of them.
Then get that water fire born abi hot water born.
And their father, when I asked him, Mark, he will never talk about it.
Put microphone for your man.
When I asked him about that, Mark, he will never talk about it. It was yesterday when I was talking to the brother. I told him that your brother said his birthday is in October. The brother shouted, said it's a lie. Is that October that he died?
Nine being birthday.
It's not birthday.
All right. So now your papa dey alive?
No.
Your papa no dey. Since when your papa die?
That is 2 years ago.
How many?
2 years ago.
Okay, 2 years ago. All right. Your mother, uncle?
He's alive.
So they don't hear the story say Emeka get wife and children.
I don't tell them.
You tell them.
Yeah.
How them feel?
They say this kind of thing. I heard of before. This is a life. So I witness it. Because the picture of the children, you look alike. And so when they bring the picture, you want picture saying this person.
All right. You know why we know they put the woman? The woman passed through hell for Gambia. If you know what they call stigmatization. She no fit buy, she no fit sell. They have to run come off for that country. She dey sell provision store, big one, and she dey do hair. She get big shop, then get money. But as a maker vanish, me I believe say somebody wey know am see am. I make am stop everything. But he don't achieve. Now he want to marry before he die. He buy white motor. You know? And I hear say the girl wey wan marry whether na twins. I don't know how true the story be.
Yeah, na twins.
Na twins. Emeka complete house for Gambia. He buy white motor for Gambia. He marry and he born twins for Gambia. Is that not a miracle?
It's a miracle.
It dey for Bible o. The spiritual controls the physical. So as we dey here now, we no know. You cannot see what the ordinary eyes cannot see. All right, madam, congratulobia. Milk and a clap for this woman. She gets heart of a lion. This one now your husband, family. You know, and once again, we still thank the Ogidi people. But we get one of Ogidi Town Union members too. We know somebody with the permission from the president if we go fit make one small call. If you permit us.
Go ahead.
All right. No worry, sit down. You go use this mic. I can't talk. What be your name? How you doing?
Fine, sir.
All right, introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is...
Talk for microphone.
My name is Chede Frederick Oranugo.
Okay.
I'm from Ogidi.
Okay.
All of us in Wazobia FM now.
All right. Now, you say you get one member of Ogidi will give you story about Emeka.
Yes.
What did he tell you?
He gave me almost the same story Emeka brother talk.
Okay.
He gave me the same story. I was very, very shocked. You say the day where this thing happened, now them and Emeka they the same place.
Okay.
Now them and Emeka
For which area?
For that Trinity, Trinity side.
Okay.
So they did somewhere. They normally go that very place and sit down and drink.
Okay.
So they did there with Emeka. So that motor, that Vanagon white.
White Varagon.
Tokumbo, they never put a number. So he said Emeka used the vehicle, bring engine from overseas. Okay. So he then sell the engine, finish. So now he dey sample the motor to sell it as a resale car. Okay. As a resale vehicle. So Emeka tell them, say, make you go carry the motor outside before they go lock the place where he park the motor. Because if they lock that very place, he will not have access to bring the motor out. Okay. They did together with Emeka. Then Emeka come out. He say Emeka, he knows sabi how to drive motor well. So from there, Emeka carried the motor, come out. They did every place, they wait for Emeka. Before you know it, news come tell and say, Emeka get accident. Emeka don't die. Then all of us go, all of them where they there, they move, go to every place and go and see Emeka. I say Emeka carry the motor, go hit trailer away park. And Emeka die instantly. So
hi, all right. Na accident you Emeka younger brother, na accident you hear say kill Emeka ba?
Yes, sir.
And true na Varagon him by.
Yeah, Varagon.
He carry the motor come village, abi never carry.
No, never carry come. The motor never get number save.
Okay.
Never get number.
And madam, you said the motor where Emeka buy for Gambia, he carry and come, he no get number. No number plate. And na which color?
White.
The Varagon na which color?
White. I mean sell the motor.
Now you sell the motor.
Yeah. I mean go bring am for late police station. Come sell am for Trinity.
Okay, you said the motor has scrap.
Yeah.
It's scatter where?
In first finish.
Hi. All right. Now, you say get one of una Ogidi person abi now just friend will live with Emeka.
Ogidi friend, they say he live with Emeka. He live for Emeka house 2 years.
2 years. Your in-law been talk say na Ikenga Emeka come from. And Emeka no tell her, na Emeka tell him son, will be 14 years old today. Now for dream, Emeka come appear, come still tell the woman, come they quarrel me, come tell the woman say, come tell me say, him come from Ikenga. When I the verse for him, say how I go take help your wife, where I don't know where you come from. Now the Ikenga come be say after verification, na true, but na Emeka maternal home. Na Ikenga your mother come from?
Yes, Ikenga come from.
Okay, where your father go come from?
My father?
Yes.
My father? Mama come from Ikenga. My mom come from Ikenga. So, Emeka, when he die alive, if he come back from Lagos, he merely drop him back. Sometimes he drop him back safe. He go to Ikenga straight.
Okay.
And then he go there. In the evening, when you want to come, I come house, come sleep.
All right. So, now, your mama and your papa, they come from Ikenga.
Yeah.
Ikenga. Which village?
From Ikenga. And my mother come from.
At the talk of your father, not be your father will they follow.
My father, my father come.
Where?
Ogidi.
Uru
Ezalo.
Ogidi. Now your father come from. Yeah. But your mother come from Ikenga. Yeah. But Emeka like to they go Ikenga.
Yeah.
So meaning say what Emeka tell him pikin and him wife, both for dream and reality, not true.
Yeah, true.
Not true.
Yeah.
All right. And we get one Emeka friend where we hear say he live with Emeka, and we get another Ogidi member. What you call your name again?
Oranugo Frederick Chede.
All right, Oranugo Frederick Chede. Meaning say the whole world don't hear what you they talk now.
Yes.
Okay. So the Emeka friend will live with Emeka instead.
He still there.
Wetin be name?
Inene Emeka.
That one self na Emeka.
Emeka.
We hear say he live for Emeka house for 2 years. 2 years.
Before Emeka give the ghost.
Okay. All right. We go call Emeka now to verify all this story where they come up. We go call Emeka now. All right, now Emeka number. Say him follow Emeka. He did that day where the thing happen.
The number you are trying to call does not exist.
How? Madam, take time. Oh. I hope say this one not be 9, no. Okay, it don't go. Hello. Good evening this evening.
Good evening.
My name na Ambassador James Expensive. The Okalamado. One of Wazobia. Yes. How you doing?
I did find my brother.
Yes, say your name na Emeka.
Yes.
And you be friend to late Emeka from Ogidi.
And the brother Mwadiana.
All right. Yes, say you live with Emeka for 2 years, not true?
Stay the same place, yes.
All right, if you give us small brief, which year you live with Emeka?
I did there. That is 2019, Abi. Yes, that year.
2019? In that 1999, huh?
I did there 1997, 98.
Okay.
97 ending. 98 and then 99. He died. It was either October. Either October.
Okay.
Yes, if I'm not mistaken.
So that time you dey squat with him. Life never good for you that time.
No, things no balance well.
Where?
We did the hustle.
Okay. Now the same business una dey do.
Yes, Mbuka we did for Trinity.
Okay.
And they call that place Afobo. But that place they don't demolish am now.
Okay. All right.
And a great hustler.
You go hold on small, eh? More do business.
I say no touch that
All right, so welcome back on top the level of them say themselves for this evening. Check your time. You go see say 28 minutes remain. 10 o'clock have go stand attention. And we got Emeka, we be Emeka friend, where two of them live for the same house for Itire, Amina for Trinity. Are you still on the line?
Yes.
All right. So you say you live with Emeka 1997 to 1999.
No, 97 ending towards December, then 98.
Okay.
99.
All right. So you there in house when that accident happened? You still dey live with them?
No be house. We did Trinity.
Okay.
That day we did Trinity. So that Vanagon, white color.
Okay.
No number. He gave somebody money to put that motor over there, either from Germany or from either Germany or Spain. They loaded different type of goods inside that Vanagon. Then after they offload the goods, they now sell the goods off. And there's a guy called Pardon. He's from Ogidi. Pardon was the one that is driving that motor that fateful day. Then before Emeka took over, where they parked the motor, because where they parked it is towards Palace Road. And if you leave that motor inside that Palace Road, they will lock that cemetery side. Can't be able to come out again. So he said, let him go and park it towards that place, so that it will be easier for us to pick up once we want to go. Before we know it, Emeka drove that car straight to Itire. Heading to Itire, he now get accident towards that Maitu. After, there's a company of Sezambra, in front of Sezambra, where they put advert of Sezambra at that Maitu spot. Opposite where you follow and go to First Stack. He smashed that car at the back of the trailer. Died instantly. Then there's nothing like all these phones that people are using now. Some of the Trinity members that are going that evening and came back from that Maitu, because Maitu is close to Trinity. It's trackable. So they now come and pass the news. Everybody now and go to that place. I want to remember that day. It's terrible. But all this expensive.
Yeah.
I beg. Allow me, may I greet our chairman.
Oh, yeah, greet chairman.
Our able chairman is there, Presido. Presido, I greet you. Good evening, sir. Yeah. Able Vice, PNT.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You know, what's his name? That our brother.
Onyebuchi. Okay.
Onyebuchi is brother to Emeka.
Okay. Oranugo Chede.
Oranugo Chede. My brother, I greet you.
Well done, my brother.
Thank you.
You know, Amina, I also greet you. You are welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, the first day I heard that story, I know everything is true, but you have to wait. It's the people that will confirm. They bring and tell us that they have confirmed it. But all I know is truth. It's Emeka, no other person.
So you believe now, say, what Emeka been the discuss? You close to Emeka, what him been?
Strong mind, yes.
You say he get strong mind?
Yeah, the strong mind I mean in our business.
Okay.
Like,
all right.
if you want to go and buy engine now, you will go with spanners. That spanners is for you to know if that engine is turning. If it's not turning, which means the engine has fault. The price you will buy it will be lower. But if Emeka wants to buy engine, Emeka don't go with spanners. He will just come and use hand. That's the way he will use hand and turn it. Whether he turn or he no turn, he will buy all of them. So nobody can buy engine like that at our own time then. You must turn it in order not for you to lose your money. Because as a word we do use, then buyer don't buy, seller don't sell. So once you buy, whether you are on a loser side, it doesn't concern the seller. And he buys without even checking. You just use hand and turn it. So he's a strong guy.
All right. So
that guy's spirit is strong.
He get wetin him discuss with you within that time, wetin him wan do, because him go Gambia, him go build house, buy motor, him marry. Anything relating to those things where he discuss with you that time?
No. The only thing Emeka has at hand is that house that he's building at Ogidi. And that house has gone to linter level. Then another thing, there's a girl then that he wants to marry. But he did not marry the girl before he now give up his ghost.
And you hear say in go Gambia go finish house where they for lintel level the same way when he own day for the girl when he married papa.
I dey follow your station since now. As I hear him, I know say na him.
And he go Gambia go buy white car.
I cannot say anything until our people confirm.
Okay.
But I mention it on our platform. The first day they put it in our platform. I mention it. That he's the guy.
Is he a generous guy? Is he a generous guy?
Yes, for sure.
And since
hand of giving.
Since Emeka go, you never dream see him?
I never see him for dream for one day. I never for one day see him for dream.
Oh, wow.
Unlike some that do die, maybe you will see them, but I never a day for dream. And when he died, the people that do the embalmment, they did not preserve him well.
Okay.
Because they are doing everything hurry. So, all the same expenses, we thank God. At last, our brother answering them.
All right, but stigmatization day for Gambia. You sure say stigma no go day for Nigeria?
For here?
Yeah.
For now, I'm not sure.
So you believe that they will accept?
The immediate brother is there, and I believe the immediate brother have welcomed the woman.
Okay.
So there's nothing like stigmatization again.
So Ogidi and the family go welcome the woman and the children. They no go run the way we Gambia people. For Gambia, not be smart now run no. Then they even call the children ghosts. They even school then close. They no let the children go school. Then close their gate. So the woman have to relocate, go a neighboring country. Now there she dey stay. She dey sell provision. They say her nobody they go her shop again for Gambia. So you sure say?
It no go happen like that for here.
Okay.
It no go be like that for here.
All right.
You say for here. Our culture and their own culture is not the same.
Okay.
That's the way they do things, especially in Igbo land. Something like that. Once you come up, there are people that know how to tackle it. They will still do it normal. Everything will normalize. There's no fear on that one. Nobody will call them any name.
Okay.
There's no fear on that one.
All right. Okay. Nnemeka, I want to say thank you very much. You still do the engine business?
No.
You don't leave them?
I left, yes.
What do they do now?
Business. I do on cosmetics now.
Okay, cosmetic.
Yes.
All right.
Even the brother later left.
Okay.
That brother that is there with you.
Yes.
Later left and went to Lagos Island.
All right. Okay, which Which business? I mean, sorry. How old Emeka did that time when he get the accident?
He senior me, oh. He senior me that time.
Okay.
He senior me.
Okay.
I know really remember as now, but if I sit and calculate, I will guess, but none. But he senior me.
Okay. No problem. So fine, brother, day here, we go know. You know? All right. Nna Emeka, thank you very much. I want to appreciate you. Thank you for this small contribution. Now, history, all of them, they make like this for this contribution. Thank you. We appreciate you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
All
Thank
right.
you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. How old be Emeka?
30 years.
Put microphone for your mouth. How old?
30 years in day.
Oh, now 30 years in day for 1999.
Yeah.
30 years.
They born in 1972.
Oh, 1972.
Yeah.
Nine and Bonham.
Yeah.
All right, and the Congo marry 17 years old. I make her like better, you know. Fresh. Now plug the flower. You hear him?
I hear them.
The woman talk him.
Tell me.
Plug the flower fresh. Hi, Emeka. Wow. All right, so the woman, she did like 33 now. So if to say Emeka they alive before, they like 53. But they're like 53 now. 30 years now. Wow. Okay. Any which way, now the story be that. Now, as it be, don't forget your name again.
Frederick.
Chidoranugo. Okay. Come. Make you come up for our wife now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Frederick
Chidi, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Chineke gozie. All right. Our wife, I want to do something before I hand over to chairman. We go hand you over to Nigerians and diasporans. Nigerians and diasporas go hand you over to the chairman and the president and vice president of Ogidi Union, Nigeria. Now, so we go do them because I want to make you thank Nigerians. We first help you. You get anything? You don't see your husband people. What do you want to talk now? Quick.
I want to say thank you so much to all Nigerians, home and abroad, especially Wazobia.
All right, 95.1 Wazobia FM now still there, and as it be like this, I've been to tell you something before we come out. Say okay, make Madam Amina. We will put that Emeka now. Or waiting me down, I saw him. All right, not be me go do that one. Traditional rulers after the cleansing, and then go add Avi Cha. Avi not be said in the door. Make we wait, make we no rush. All right, Madam Amina, you want to thank Nigerians? We help you, and you go thank Ogidi people. We come.
I want to say a very big thank you to Nigerian people all over the world, home and abroad. I want to say thanks, a very big thank you to Wazobia fans. I cannot thank you guys enough, but only God will bless you. I pray that any story that has complication like mine will never happen to you people.
Amen.
You people are so wonderful. I want to thank the management of Wazobia. I don't know what to say, but with the help of this company, I had to meet a wonderful person like Oga Expensive. I was telling the securities that I don't know if they train people here to be nice, but I will tell the world that Wazobia people, they are very nice people. The staffs are very nice. I want to say thank you to them. I want to say a very big thank you to the Ogidi.
You go say my in-laws.
To my in-laws, the Ogidi people. At first, it was really not easy, but I would tell the whole Nigerians that Ogidi people are the best in the whole of Nigeria.
Hey, wait, and clap. Oh.
If you start with the president, you think he's tough, but he's such a very, very nice man. They are all nice. The president, the vice, that particular team that came on that Tuesday, and I saw they came on, I think Thursday or Friday. I have to see them again on Tuesday. When I saw them, I really knew these are Emeka people, because Emeka was such a lovely, a very nice man that I'm not even sure however, see somebody like him. His people are great. I want to say thank you. God bless all of them. God bless you all. God will provide for you guys. God will guide you, protect your children. As I said, story that is complicated will never happen to all of us. Mine, this one will be the end. My children, they will become great. They will become people that will one day tell Nigerians that you people helped them, you people showed them, you people made them to be who they are today. I want to thank you all. God bless you. A special thank to the GM. I want to say thank you to that man. I met him late, but I'm sure it was the right time I met the man. He's such a wonderful person also. I want to say thank you to everybody for the securities in Wazobia. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for making me smile again. Thank you.
All right, so make we just assume, say, you see Emeka again. What you go do?
I pray to see him today. I will live with him for
All right, and as it be like this, not be small thing at all. Like I tell you, Nigerians, over to Nana, make una send me WhatsApp message. Make we hand over Amina to the Ogidi president. Now them know how they go take hand over Amina to the family. If you are in support, say aye. If you are against, say nay. And of course, Wazobia fans will not go leave her like that. Thank you. Now the thing will not contribute for her. Now she take the stay hotel apart from the one where I pay, and take the feed since that day. All right. If I get 10 eyes, I'll go hand over to the president and the vice president of Ogidi, Union, Nigeria. Everybody say aye. Every president can't see with your eye. Can't see Boston. The place does the wahala day. See am?
Yeah.
Everybody see am? I. So, by the power conferred in me as the on-air personality and the waiting me that my title again, no. Okalammo. Confirm. Confirm. I want to officially hand over Mrs. Amina to the president. Una fit no hear my voice, but I want go do handing over to the president, because without them, we not go even know Onyebuchi. We not go even. So I want to, say good. Make we hand to a union than to hand over to an individual. So it go day for the hands of the president and the vice president. On behalf of the management of Wazobia, we hand Amina over
successes.
Okay.
But the good thing is that every Ogidi person has a family. And every Ogidi person has a kindred called Omona. The first hurdle has been passed. So I will formally hand her over to Onyebuchi, who is from an Omona, who is the younger brother of the Index Emeka.
Okay.
And we've heard from multiple sources. We've heard from Onyebuchi. We've heard from OK, even though he's not here now, the person that phoned offline.
Yeah.
We've also heard from the other Nnemeka Okudiba, said the assistant secretary, Nkwele Ogidi, is a village in Ogidi. He said he's a Wazobia fan, that when he heard it the first time, that he knew, but he wanted the family to come up.
Okay.
So, Amina, I know you are Renem, but I will still call you Amina for now. You have a family.
Union chairman, Lagos branch, has handed over Amina to the representative of the family. So, and I know say we too, as Wazobia fans, home and abroad, within ourselves, we go talk to know what we go do for Amina. Amina, now, you don't come, you don't conquer. You don't come, you see, and you don't conquer. Waiting be your plan. You are now a Nigerian.
Earlier, as I told Nigerian people, the Wazobia fans, you know, since I've been looking for my husband, people, I told you people, if I see the family, even if they are sleeping on the ground, I would love to sleep with them. We can rise together because money is not everything. And for now that they said the mother is alive, I would love to go to the village, see the mother, see my husband's grave. Then I would love to live in Nigeria because since I came, I'm seeing like I'm living as a free person. I'm not scared to go anywhere. I'm smiling again for the first time after 2021, since 2021. So my wish is to stay in Nigeria here, bring my kids where they will be loved, where I know they will know that they have rights, where they will turn. As I said, the Ogidi people are wonderful, the union. I will not be scared with all the shaking of the president and the vice what they gave me that day. I will happily show them my children and tell my children, see your uncles. So I would love to come to Nigeria and stay, if God willing.
All right. All right. Okay, President has handed over the woman to you. Wait till you go talk now.
As my president talk about my woman, everything get procedure.
Okay.
It's not talk about going to village. It's good, but it gets some certain things we follow, and we know reach village. We talk that one. But I welcome them as my woman.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. As your woman, be
my wife in being now.
The wife of one of them.
I better go.
My brother wife. I call her my woman. My brother wife.
Okay. Because I hear say your brother know they talk, but he know they take slap. All right. As if you like this, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for being here. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. President. I say a very big thank you. In fact, I can't like you where I like your courage, I like your spirit, I like your determination, I like the way you and your vice they coordinate. The synergy between you is too much. We say thank you very much, sirs.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Thank you very much. All right. Onyebuchi, you too. Thank you for coming. And Frederico, yes, you did my backyard here. Thank you very much. All right, Nigerians, Wazobia fans, we go talk. Make I give you small of the them say. Then go excuse us small. Go discuss small. So Amina, you can come back because the night begins now. We don't do the normal thing we would do so. Now to exchange phone numbers and all these things. Mr. President, am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so we will pick it up from there. Thank you very much. And make I talk with him Wazobia management don't do. Ogidi na part of us. So anytime we Ogidi want do meeting, then get free adverts. Yes, so free publicity. Our GM now approve them. So when una dey hear Ogidi na other tribe, make una no jealous who na hard work. They say hard work pay. Now the hard work of Ogidi people, now pay them so. All right, thank you very, very plenty for coming.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.